Hey everybody, Captain Dave Schneider. It's a guide's life. How's everybody today? It's about 12:28 in the early afternoon on Sunday, and I got Flippin Dale with me. And Flippin Dale and Captain Dave are going flipping. Now we're going to do some other stuff too, but at some point in time, I'm sure we'll have to probably pitch and flip our way around some Kissimmee mats or something like that in order to get a good bite. But we'll find out. We'll find out. Special thing about Dale. That we'll talk about a little bit later on. I got a surprise to show you on the boat. I'm pretty excited, and he was integral. You know, I love to use the word integral. He was integral in the goings on to get all of this happening. So anyway, we're gonna have a good time, man. As always, it's a guide's life, and we're gonna go out there. The wind's blowing. I don't even know what direction the wind's blowing out of, but it's blowing. Probably looks like maybe what, 10 to 15, Dale? Yeah, probably 10 to 15. I don't know north from south, but this looks like a southerly wind to me from the flag here. And southerly winds make for good schooly weather. So we're gonna probably run up the north shoreline a little bit. Hell, we might wind up all the way up in Coot Bay for all I know. I apologize for the incessant beeping, but I just don't care, all right? Anyway, man, here we go, more later. I don't know if you can all see this, but I've got a brand new Minn Kota Ultrex 112. I've actually had it at my house for a few days, and what I found out was, and I don't know if you guys know this or not, but there is a trolling motor ferry. A trolling motor ferry. I don't think Dale likes being called a ferry, however. But having said that, all right, so I got this trolling motor sitting in my kitchen on the floor, all busted open. I don't know if you ever seen one of these boxes. They're monstrosities. The things weigh like 100 pounds, and so I've got this baby laying out, and it's been laying, I mean, literally half unboxed, taking up the entirety. Wow, holy Christmas, wow. All right. Okay, that's gonna take some getting used to. Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? That's as instant. Holy Jehoshaphat. Okay, we can dial that back quite a bit. Dale, any question about the response time on this thing? Has just been put to rest. That is, I mean, that's amazing. That's Dale, that is connected and as on target as any cable driven motor I've ever had. And obviously it's cable driven, but it's all electronically fed. I don't have half the thing set up yet, guys. We wanted to get out and do some fishing, quite frankly. Okay, so I just put the, okay, Dale, I just put it in that anchor position. Yeah. So theoretically now, and it's doing it all by itself.
I feel it keeping us here too.
Theoretically, we should stay right here, right? Right?
Yep.
So anyway, the whole, you know how when you're a little kid and you lose a tooth, well, what do? You put that tooth under a pillow and bam, wham, thank you, ma'am, and or however that statement goes, all of a sudden, man, there's a quarter, a nickel, $25. I mean, it's whatever it is, man, it's under your pillow the next day. Well, I found out if you leave a trolling motor on your kitchen floor for more than 48 hours, you wake up and bam, the thing is on your boat. I mean, this baby was on my boat. I slept through the process. You gotta love any kind of install where you get to sleep through the process. Am I right, Dale?
That's right. That's
Flippin Dale, AKA, I hate TV. I don't even like to say it, you know, but because I think you just hit the button to undo that. Yeah, I think I just did. So what's this button here do?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, right, yes. Those are cool, right? Yeah, and what's nice about it is it just instantly, you know what else too? It eliminates, Dale, it eliminates the need to have a, you know, so a lot of guys will put like a loop knot and that kind of thing on jerk baits and other baits because it adds a little bit of action to your hard baits, and this gives you that automatically as well. We're talking about the speed clips, and I use speed clips, really, I use them on every hard bait that I throw. I put a speed clip on. Bass? You always think it's a bass, don't you? You hit like it was supposed to be a bass. So excited, flipped it in there. Oh man, okay, here's my rhythm, you know, you start to get into a little rhythm. It's all so exciting, so exciting. It's a little faster, okay? I don't want to, one thing if we're getting some bites, but, oh, look at here. Having said that, all right, It's a better fish here, Bubba. There's a better fish here. Come here. Get up here. Look at that fish there, Bubba. That's a nice quality Okeechobee largemouth right there. That fish is 3 pounds, isn't he, bud?
He's beautiful.
He's absolutely gorgeous. Maybe 3.5 pounds.
Oh, something tried to eat him.
Something's, yeah, look at there. 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 I know what you're thinking. What the heck was that? Well, that's what I wondered too. Apparently that's the noise that Flippin Dale makes when he misses. Oh, here we go, Dale. Nice. Wow. Another good fish, bub. He was right in that clump. He was right there in that clump. Another beautiful Okeechobee bass, man. Beautiful. Get him? And that's Flippin Dale when he scores. Oh boy, Dale. Oh boy. Oh, he's right here, hey? Right here. Bring him right around this way. Get into the motor. There you go. Good, man. That's a good. Again, that's a great fish. That's a solid 2-pound fish. Look at the size of the belly on him. Way to go, Flippin Dale!
That's awesome.
All right. You want to rig this thing tail down? Get it like that, so the tail's gonna be down. Come through it about the length of the hook shaft, right to there. Roll it up. Now I don't like to expose my hook here. I like to just I want to get it to come up here just under the skin the entire way. See what I'm doing there?
Yeah.
Hook's right there. That thing is ready to go, brother.